Okay, let's go. Sergeant Square. This is a 1985 Chevy Squarebody. This is a full military charity build for Mission 22. We have an old rusty truck, completely tearing it apart, rebuilding all of the panels using LMC truck parts. We took apart the entire truck. We are not going to be using the factory frame. We have a brand new chassis from All American Chassis. This new frame is going to set complete with all the original cab body mounts. So we're just going to blast the cab, get it completely clean, powder coat the frame, and then powder coat all of the suspension pieces. While the powder coating is drying, we are taking the cab over to the body shop to replace the front windshield support and the roof. All new parts from Auto Metal Direct. We have Willwood brakes. We have a nice 6.2 liter LS from Scoggy Dickens, and a Chevy Connect and Cruise transmission. The Ford 9-inch rear end is being replaced, and Salvage to Savage is going to cut the bed floor to go over the new chassis. And it's a nice clean setup. The front bumpers have been pushed in and Frenched in to make a nice tight fit. A Boyd welding gas tank is going to be mounted to the rear frame before the bed gets coated with all new bed liner from Poppy's Patina. Once the bed liner is done, we went over to Salvage to Savage to load the truck up on the trailer and bring it back to the shop. Once we had it back at the shop, we completely removed each and every body panel, left a bare frame, and now we can put the frame on the trailer and take it over to the body shop. With the frame all loaded up, you can see how amazing this chassis is from All American Chassis. And the last body mod we did was this amazing LS Fab tail light gas door fill before Shane got it into the bay. We're using all PPG paint for the perfect finish, and to top it all off, we have this great Sergeant Square badge from Rad Machining. All right, here we go, Sergeant Square. We got a few more days before SEMA, but the thing is looking amazing. We're gonna do the final reveal, Hot Rod Alley. Make sure you come by the booth, you see the thing in full. You can sort of see it back there. It's an amazing build. It's for an amazing charity, so definitely make sure you come over to Hot Rod Alley, Engage Media booth. You'll see a big Motortopia logo and this beautiful truck. All the proceeds are being donated to Mission 22. It's an amazing build for an amazing cause. So we hope you guys come out, see the truck. And if you're not at SEMA, don't worry, we're gonna have some amazing content to show you. We're pulling the cover off Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. See you guys out there.